Hi, I'm Michael Mortimer and I'm on the Military Road in Northumberland to show you my latest listing, this striking and unusual converted chapel in Harlow Hill. So, best behaviour, I'm going to take you to Property Church. What hits you first when you walk in are the grand high ceilings, which are typical of a church building of this age. Then you have the tall arched windows encased in stone, and they frame the spectacular view out over the Tyne Valley. Back inside, and the snug is one of my favourite places. Dating back to the late 1800s, this historic stone chapel has been beautifully restored. This home celebrates the past, but looks to the future. The kitchen is a German design, and being a German car driver, I know it stands for exceptional quality. It has built-in Smeg appliances and a kitchen island, and mood lighting, which really does transform this space into the perfect entertaining space. The kitchen leads through to the bright open dining space, with solid oak bifolding doors connecting you to that fresh Northumbrian air. But certainly the most striking feature of downstairs are these three beautiful arched windows encased in stone. What a feature! And these full height windows lead to the mezzanine master bedroom upstairs, and to my favourite part of this chapel. This is the turret. What was the original steeple is now home to a walk-in rainfall shower. It really does feel like you're in a fairy tale adventure. But I'm still looking for my prince. Through the master is a dressing room with vaulted sunroom and glass overlooking the fields and farms behind. Now, I'm no vicar, but I know a good chapel when I see one. This really is a one-of-a-kind home. I hope you've enjoyed the tour, but for now I'm going to leave you with a spectacular view. See you next time.